Bronco 6G community, what's going on? Tony with Fast Intentions, and today we are back with a full build retrofit, getting ready for Expedition X Off-Road July 2022 through Baja, California, as well as Baja, Mexico. We're taking this Bronco behind us as well as our Bronco. It's a great off-road community to be part of. We're super delighted to be going on this excursion with them. But before you go, you gotta have your vehicle retrofitted in specific ways with recovery and safety equipment, as well as the bare essentials to survive out in the desert. So let's do a little walk around, show you what we're working with for this specific Bronco. Starting over here, we have a Lowrance GPS system. This is gonna be great, it's gonna work, never gonna leave you failing out there in the desert. We're gonna make a custom mount for that somewhere in the center dash region. We have our CB radio with external speaker. That's gonna be a nice setup. We're gonna keep that tucked away and hidden, and this will be out in the open so it's not as obtrusive. We have our Rotopax fuel and water canisters, 2 gallons each respectively. Those are gonna be mounted on the outside towards the rear. It's gonna be great if you get in a pinch or a bind, keep you hydrated, as well as keep the vehicle hydrated so you can make it to the next station. We have Baja designs over here. We have our ditch and trail lights. It's a great setup. These two are gonna go up front. These are gonna go in back. We're probably gonna mount these direct center of the rear tire. Gonna be making a custom mount for those as well. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we're gonna be installing this hammer-built, beautiful, mild steel, black, wrinkle powder-coated rear spare tire reinforcement. This is gonna protect the skin of the rear door, the hinging system. It's gonna help alleviate a lot of that load from that 35 or that 37-inch tire, whatever you have bounded to the back of the vehicle. We have CO2, about 3,000 PSI in this bottle of compressed air. This is gonna help you get out of these tough pinches. Specifically, if you were to debeat a wheel, it'll help you change a tire and rebeat a wheel, get things back in place, along with obviously refilling your tires with air. Obviously, we need a jack. We have a Pro Eagle setup here that she went with. It's a great setup here. This will get you out of a pinch or in a bind, these nice big wheels and tires. You all know that we have to have that obviously in this situation. We have our Built Right Industries MOLLE compatible cargo panels that are gonna go on both sides respectively. You can mount recovery equipment there, tie-down straps, med kits, things of such nature. So all in all, it's a great setup. We're super excited to get it all installed. We'd love to show you the finished product, and we can't wait to enjoy this inaugural Baja Expedition X Off-Road in July and August of 2022.